Welcome. I'm Graaf, founder of AdArchitects, a small Dutch-based agency specializing in all things feed management and particularly Channable. In this learning module, we'll explore how to automate and optimize for performance, a key factor in e-commerce success. Poorly optimized product feeds can cost you money as they lead to higher CPCs, lower ROAS, and wasted ad spend. But smart automation can help. First, let's talk about the price of bad data. If your product feed contains missing, outdated, or incorrect information, your ads may not appear in relevant search results, or they could lead to irrelevant clicks. The key to fixing this, data feed automation via a tool like Channable. By setting up smart rules and conditions, you can clean and optimize your feed effortlessly. In this video, we're going to use actionable tips with Channable solution as example. So the most important part about automation, I think, is setting a well thought out rule structure with a good rule hierarchy. And what we do at AdArchitects is we use multiple rules at multiple level. We have the hygiene rule group that is for rules you have to apply to all your output feeds and all your ad generators. So things like fixing your brand, setting your category, or fixing your prices. And then we have the feed API rule group. That is for like your Google Content API or your Facebook API. And that's for the additional fields that you want to set there that you don't need for your shopping or your text ads. So like descriptions, multi-pack, custom attributes, etc. All for better product discovery. And then we have the shopping rule group that's specialized only for setting your shopping campaign structure, whether it be for Google Ads or for Bing Ads, making sure that all ads are segmented well and that the right assets are set. And then the search rule group standardizes your ad copy and your keywords, and you use those for your text ad generators. And lastly, you can set rules on a channel level for the rules that are only meant for a specific channel, filling in one specific attribute or excluding certain items. Well, for instance, for Google Shopping, you can exclude the items to make sure that they don't appear in Google Shopping, but then they also don't appear in Google organic shopping listings. If you would just use exclude destination instead of excluding those items, you can make sure that they don't appear in shopping, so they don't cost you money, but they keep appearing in the organic listings, which will give you free traffic and maybe even free conversions. The goal for you, set up at least one automation rule at the hygiene rule group level to optimize your feeds. And tip, you can use pre-built rules for common use cases, making product data optimization faster and easier. Mastering automation will take your feed optimization to the next level, reducing manual effort and maximizing performance. And watch your products go from invisible to unmissable. You've now optimized your feed, you're listed and discoverable. But are you reaching the right audience? In the next video, we'll explain how to choose the right channels and manage your multi-platform expansion for maximum impact.